Good morning, children. Already in the previous class, I explained you second lesson. What is the name of the second lesson? Uses of plants. What is the name of the second lesson, ma? Uses of plants. Uses of plants. I already explained you this lesson and completed new words and question answers. Now I am going to explain you textbook part. I am going to explain you today textbook part. First one, first Roman. Name, N-A-M-E, name, N-A-M-E, name, any, A-N-Y, any, T-W-O, name, any two, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, which give us, which, W-H-I-C-H, which, G-I-V-E, give, as the following, which give us the following. మనకి ఏ ప్లాన్స్ నుంచి ఏమేమి వస్తాయో అడుగుతున్నారు. Now I will ask you question, you have to answer. Okay namma? First one. Food grains. Food grains. F-O-O-D, food. G-R-A-I-N-S, food grains. Name any two food grains. Food grains means మనం తినే ధాన్యాలు. మనం ఏవైతే తింటున్నామో ధాన్యాలు. You know already I explained you what about some food grains. Name some food grains. Come on, first one, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. What is this? Rice. Rice అంటే బియ్యం. బియ్యం అంటే తెలుసు కదా, మనం రోజు భోజనం చేస్తున్నాం మధ్యాహ్నం. Afternoon we are having lunch, isn't it? With what our mummy is preparing food? With the rice only our mummy is preparing food, isn't it? Rice. What is the spelling of rice? R-I-C-E, rice. Next one, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Wheat. With the wheat flour only our mother is preparing chapati and all those. Okay. Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. In Telugu, wheat is known as godumalu. Okay namma? Godumalu. Name any two food grains here. Food grains. F-O-O-D, food. G-R-A-I-N-S, grains. First one, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Second one, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Okay namma? Second one, edible oil. Edible, E-D-I-B-L-E, edible oil. Edible oil means మనం కర్రీ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఆయిల్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా. తినే ఆయిల్ మనం ఏమైతే కర్రీలో యూజ్ చేస్తామో ఆ ఆయిల్స్ని ఎడిబుల్ ఆయిల్ అంటాం. ఓకేనమ్మా? ఎడిబుల్ ఆయిల్. నేమ్ సమ్ ఎడిబుల్ ఆయిల్స్. ఆల్రెడీ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ. సన్ఫ్లవర్ ఆయిల్, isn't it? And groundnut oil. Come on, sunflower. From the sunflower plant we are getting sunflower oil. From the seeds of the sunflower we are getting sunflower oil. O-I-L, oil. S-U-N, sun. F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. O-I-L, oil. This one, what is this one, ma? Edible. E-D-I-B-L-E, edible oil. First one, sunflower oil. From the seeds of sunflower we will get sunflower oil. Okay na? S-U-N, sun. F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. O-I-L, oil. Next one, groundnut oil. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. N-U-T, nut. O-I-L, oil. Groundnut oil అంటే పల్లీల నూనె. ఓకేనమ్మా? గ్రౌండ్నట్. ఫ్రమ్ ద గ్రౌండ్నట్ ప్లాంట్ వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ గ్రౌండ్నట్ ఆయిల్. వేరుశనగ నూనె అంటాం తెలుగులో. GROUND, గ్రౌండ్. NUT, nut. OIL, oil. Groundnut oil. Edible oils, sunflower oil and groundnut oil. Next one, third one, medicines. From which plant we are getting medicines? I already told you from so many plants we are getting medicines, isn't it? Name some plants which we are getting medicines. Medicines అంటే ఏంటి? మందులు మనం వేసుకుంటున్నాం కదా. If you feel sick, if you got any disease, what we are doing? We are going directly to the doctor, isn't it? What doctor gives you? Doctor gives you medicines. From which plants we are getting medicines? Medicines ఏ plant నుంచి మనకు వస్తున్నాయి? Name any two. అందులో ఏదైనా two రాయండి అంటున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ వన్ నీమ్. నీమ్ అంటే వేప చెట్టు. నీమ్ చేదుగా ఉంటుంది, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారో లేదో. నీమ్ ట్రీ. While I am explaining trees, I already gave you example of neem tree. Neem, neem. Neem, neem. And tulasi. 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 From these two plants are the examples of medicines. Okay, medicines. Neem, neem. Tulasi. Tulasi. Next, fourth one. Fibers. Fibres. Fibers. Fibers means what? We are preparing. We are getting some fibers also. We are daily we are wearing some clothes, no, isn't it? From which fibers we are getting clothes? From cotton plant we are getting cotton. Not only from the cotton plant, only one example I told you. No, from the jute plant we are getting ropes, mats, sacks. Already I explained you. Give some examples of fibers. First one, jute plant. Jute, J-U-T-E, jute. Next one, cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. J-U-T-E, jute, and C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. This is the second lesson, textbook part. What is the name of the second lesson? Uses of plants. Uses of plants. Plants nunchi manaki eve vastunayi. This is the Roman, first Roman from the textbook. Okay, Namma? Name any two plants which give us the following food grains. From which plant we are getting food grains? Name any two. ఇవే రాయాలని లేదు, మీకు లెసన్ విన్నాక you can write number of examples. Okay na? Food grains. Rice, wheat. What is the spelling of rice? R-I-C-E, rice. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Next, edible oil. Daily we are using oils to prepare our food items, isn't it? Give some examples of edible oil. Sunflower oil. S-U-N, sun. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. O-I-L, oil. Sunflower oil. Next, groundnut oil. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. N-U-T, nut. O-I-L, oil. Groundnut oil. Next, medicines. From which plants we are getting medicines? From turmeric plant we are getting medicines. From neem plant, from tulasi we are getting medicines, isn't it? Most of our plants are very useful. That's why the name of the lesson is uses of plants. From which plants we are getting medicines? From the neem plant. N-E-E-M, neem. Next one, tulasi. T-U-L-A-S-I, tulasi. Fibers. Fibers. From which plants we are getting fibers? J-U-T-E, jute. Jute is nothing but గోని సంచులు అవన్నీ తయారు చేస్తాం కదమ్మా. మ్యాట్స్, రోప్స్, ఇవన్నీ గోని సంచులు. నవేడేస్ we are using carry bags with this jute. Okay na? Cotton. You all know we are wearing cotton clothes in summer season. Not only in the summer season, cotton clothes are very comfortable to wear, isn't it? From which plant we are getting those cotton clothes? From the cotton plant we are getting cotton clothes. Next Roman, fill in the blanks. Next Roman, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, You have to answer. We get PAPER, paper, from dash tree. Daily we are using books to read, to write, isn't it? Books are very useful or not? Yes, books are very useful. With what the books are made up of? Books are made up of with number of papers, isn't it? Yes, we get paper from dash tree. From where this paper is getting? We are getting, I already explained you, we are getting the paper from the bamboo and pine tree. Okay, here I am writing bamboo. B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo. We get W-E-Y, G-E-T get, P-A-P-E-R paper, F-R-O-M from, B-A-M-B-O-O bamboo, T-R-E-E tree. We get paper from which tree? Bamboo tree. We get paper from bamboo tree. Second one. Acacia plant gives us. Acacia plant give us dash. Acacia plant. Acacia, A-C-A-C-I-A, acacia plant gives us what? Acacia plant gives us gum. From where we are getting gum? We are getting gum from the acacia plant. Gum. Gum is very useful or not? As daily you are tearing pages, isn't it? With what you are pasting those pages? With the gum only, isn't it? G-U-M, gum. What is the name of this plant? Acacia. A-C-A-C-I-A, acacia plant gives us what? Acacia plant is giving? Gum. G-U-M, gum. Next, third one. Dash plant give us fiber. Now only I explained you. From where we are getting fiber threads. Threads manaki ekkadi nunchi vastunayi. Fiber A plant nunchi manaki fiber vastundi. You can write here two answers. Jute and cotton also. Here I am writing cotton. First letter capital letter. Observe here. First letter I am writing capital letter. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton plant give us fiber. Cotton plant give us fiber. Next. Tulasi. T-U-L-A-S-I. Tulasi is a dash plant. Tulasi elanti plant. Elanti plant tulasi. Tulasi, what Tulasi is giving us? Tulasi is giving us, we all know Tulasi is giving us, is used to make medicines, isn't it? Yes, Tulasi is medicine plant ankodu. Medicinal plant. Okay, na? It gives us medicines, isn't it? Medicinal plant. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-A-L. Medicinal. Tulasi is used in making medicines, isn't it? Tulasi is a medicinal plant. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-A-L. Medicinal plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Tulasi is a medicinal plant. We completed 2 Romans up to here. Next. Third Roman. Third Roman. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one. A root vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. A root vegetable among the following. I am giving you here some options. You have to say the answer. A root vegetable among the following. First one, cabbage. Is cabbage is a root vegetable? Or radish? R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. And cauliflower. Here once look at the board. A root vegetable among the following. Already explained you about root vegetable. We all will, fruit plants are, each part of a plant is very useful. Not only flower part, not only leaves part, stem part, root part. Each part of a plant is very useful, isn't it? Here like this, root vegetable. We are eating root as a vegetable. Among these following, what vegetable we are eating as a root? Come on, tell me the answer. Is cabbage is a root vegetable? No, cabbage is not a root vegetable. Cabbage, aakul antam kada, cabbage. It is a leafy. Next, radish. Cabbage leaves, we are cutting the leaves and we are eating. Isn't it? Radish. Yes, radish is a root vegetable. We are using root of the radish as a vegetable. So here the answer is radish. Cauliflower, in the cauliflower only we are seeing what is this flower. This flower part we are using as a vegetable here. So what is the answer? B is the answer. Radish. What is the spelling of radish? R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Next, second one. A medicinal plant. A medicinal plant. A medicinal plant among the following is a medicinal plant among the following is A. Rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R. Rubber. B. Tulasi. And C. Gulmohar. Here once listen. A medicinal plant among the following, which is used in medicines, we call them as a medicinal plant, isn't it? First one, rubber. Is rubber plant is giving medicines to you? No, rubber plant is giving us rubber, isn't it? Yes, it is not the answer. Tulasi, yes, tulasi is a medicinal plant. Here tulasi is a medicinal plant. Gulmohar is a tree. It's not giving any medicines, isn't it? So here the answer is tulasi. You have to write here B. Here beside tulasi we are having B, no Rio. So you have to write there B. Okay, Nama? Next, third one. Jute is obtained from. Jute is obtained from A. Plants, B. Animals, and C. Factories. Here listen. Jute is obtained from. Jute manaki ekkadi nunchi vastundi? From the plants or animals, or we are getting from the factories. From where we are getting jute, ma? We are getting jute from the plants. So answer is A. You have to write here A. Okay, Namma? Third Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, a root vegetable among the following. Which vegetable we eat as a vegetables? Which root we eat as a vegetables? Those vegetables are called root vegetables, isn't it? So root part we are eating as a vegetable. Is cabbage is a root vegetable? No. Radish is a root vegetable. Here the answer is radish. What is the spelling of radish? R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. A medicinal plant among the following. Which plants are used in medicines? We call it as a medicinal plant. Is rubber is a medicinal plant? No, rubber tree is giving us rubber. It is not a medicinal plant. Here tulasi is the answer. Tulasi is a medicinal plant. T-U-L-S-I, tulasi. Jute is obtained from ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ ద జూట్ ఈజ్ అప్టైనింగ్ అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది మనకి జూట్? ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచా, యానిమల్స్ నుంచా, ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ నుంచా? వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ జూట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్లాంట్స్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఆర్ ఆల్ ద plants are useful? Yes, all the plants are very useful. So up to today we completed the second lesson, textbook part and CW also. You have to learn them. Thank you.